Well, good news, everyone. Today we're taking a look at Lake Meredith National Recreation Area, just north of Amarillo, Texas. Lake Meredith has several camping sites spread throughout the lake. The one that Duke and I stayed at was actually called Lake Meredith Campground, and it is located near Fritch Fortress. Lake Meredith contrasts spectacularly with its surrounding. It lies on the dry and windswept high plains of the Texas Panhandle. The lake was created by Sanford Dam on the Canadian River and is used as a major water supply for Amarillo and Lubbock. In November of 1990, Lake Meredith Recreation Area was redesignated as a national recreation area and includes about 50,000 acres. 10,000 of those acres are the reservoir. Lake Meredith has been an attraction for various recreational activities, which include camping, fishing, water sports, hunting, and trails for hiking, four-wheel driving, and horseback riding. I decided to come down this way to avoid the snow. However, I did not go south enough, and we got a day of snow. The day beforehand was really nice, and those after the snow were cold but nice and clear. The camping area we stayed at has 10 designated shelters. So I'm guessing that means they only want 10 campers. If you're camping in an RV, it's just a pull off on the loop that overlooks the lake. The campground is located up from the boat launch, and there's also an amphitheater. In the camping area, there's a flush toilets, power, and hot showers. The locals tend to use the bathroom more than the campers, but it was a welcome surprise. For a free campground, I'd have to say that this is one of the better ones. I saw some amazing views and some awesome sunsets. Also, at the end, Duke plays in the snow, and I launched my drone in the middle of a snowstorm. I would not recommend launching a drone in the middle of a snowstorm, but please stay tuned to the end of the video to watch those clips. Remember, life is short. Take more detours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.